You now have your athletes roster in your database. Now I'm going to show you how you can use that data to turn it into meaningful information. For starters, I want to show you how to create an athletes roster from the list of athletes you have. To do so, there are two ways. First way is through the athletes browser inside here. So while here you click on this print button, it brings you to this page. From this page there are so many things you can do. You can sort by team, only one your team. If you create it, it will show you all the athletes you have for your team. And down there it will even show you how many you have. Another option is you can filter by group, subgroup, and many other ways. Let's say maybe you want only female athletes. You just click female, then you click create. It will show you only female athletes you have in your team. And as you can notice, the information contains the gender, the age, the birthday, swimmer ID, and the team they are in, and the group, if you have groups, that is. On the last filter I want us to use is age. Maybe I want only people from 35 years to 40 years. And to be specific, I only want male between 35 to 40 years. Then I click create. It will only give me people from 35 years to 40. This is very helpful if you want specific information from a very big data set. The second way you can do this, which is like the longest way, you can go to reports, administrative reports, then athletes. It brings you to the same pop-up as the one you used in the previous way. So here also you can do the same way. You can filter by team, sort by age or athlete ID, gender, or both. And maybe even athlete status, is he active or inactive? So you can say maybe you want only active symbol, then you generate to still give you the same format. Very detailed information about the athletes, and top down there shows you how many they are. And to save this data, you can either print or click export to save it as a PDF or any format you want, then click OK. Now you can save it on your desktop and email it to anybody you want.